Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make QR codes for your open house using a Google Forms and an add-on called QR Code Generator. So I'm going to open up this form that I created in Google Forms, and it's just a simple form. The most important things that you need are the student's first name. If you want the first name to print on the bottom of the QR code, which it can do that, you'll want their first name. And then the other thing is going to be the URL for whatever site that you are using. In my class, we use KidBlog, but if you use Google Sites or anything else like that, as long as you have a URL on the web, you can make a QR code out of it. So I had the students go ahead and fill this out, and you can see for their responses in Sheets, you can see how I collected all their URLs and then I collected their first names. So once you have this information, it's actually really simple to make QR codes. Go to add-ons. If you haven't yet got the add-on for the QR code generator listed here, you just go to get add-ons and search it, and then you can add that to your add-ons in Sheets. You have to be in Sheets in order to add on the QR code generator. So once you have that, you can click Start, and the QR code generator opens up in a tab to the right. So you have some options here. The medium size, they'll do tiny, small, medium, all the way to extra large. I'm going to stick with medium. You can save it as a document, which is, I would recommend doing that. So you just have a copy. You don't have to go and do this again if for some reason you want to reprint them. It will draw a nice little border around each one, which makes it so easy for cutting them out. In my classroom, we display them up on the wall by their pictures, so parents can go and use a QR reader on their cell phone to access their blogs through that link. So drawing the border helps with cutting it out nice and even. You can save it as a PNG. Using the second column is the reason why I have the students' first names. So when you use a second column, you'll notice it says select 2 cells in a row or 2 columns. Values in the first column will be encoded into QR codes. Values in the second column will be displayed under generated QR codes as a file name for PNG files or as a file name. So this is going to be my first one here. I'm going to go ahead and select that. And my second one here is going to be the names. So I'm going to select them both. Okay, select 2 cells in a row or 2 columns. The first one will be the QR code. The second one will be their name printed underneath the QR code. You could also shorten the URL. I haven't been successful in using this, but you can definitely try it out. And then when you click generate, it will say validating input data. If you don't start to see that where it's processing right away, then there must be something wrong in your settings and you have to double check. But you can see it is progressing rather quickly. Gone are the days where you have to copy and paste each one of the students' individual URLs into a free QR generator website. Now Google will do it for you through the Google Apps. And you can see we're getting there. I have 33 students in my class this year. So it'll take, what, probably not even 20 seconds, 30 seconds for it to make all those QR codes. And there we are. It's done. It says open document. And I can go ahead and open the document. And there they are. So the first box that says your first name, this is actually the headings that were on my sheets before. So you can tell this QR code looks so different than the others. Don't put that one on the wall. That one won't take them anywhere. But the rest of them, you can see I've got it all done. Oh, Sloan put in 2. Jerry needs to capitalize his name. This is why it would probably be a good idea to print it to a file so that you can edit it in here. So let's see, let's go to Jerry. And we're going to change his to a J. We'll just leave Sloan's, I just won't cut it out. And you can see like how the bottom part cut out in here. I'm just going to go to File, Page Setup, and I'm going to increase my margin, or actually decrease my margin to a 0.5, and I think that will fix it. Yes, it did. So now I can cut these out quite easily. Let's check the second page. Yes, they're on it. Oh, and David's fell over into the next page, but that'll be fine. So then from here, I can just print these out and cut them out and put them up on my wall for open house. This has been a video to show you how to use an add-on in Google Sheets called QR Code Generator in order to make QR codes easily for your students for open house or any other idea that you might have. Thank you so much for watching.